What is up, my EMS crew? Oh my gosh, I am starving. I've missed y'all. We've got Burger King. We're gonna hop right in. I'm gonna share a few things. I'm trying to be a little upbeat, but it's totally not how I'm feeling. It is, as you can see, we got Burger King. They completely effed up the order, like completely. But I'll show you what I got as we go. I want to apologize for my last video, it being sideways. For the life of me, I couldn't figure out why. The only thing I can think of, see, I've never had an iPhone. I've always had Android. And so I still don't know this phone. And, sorry, I am actually trying to tone down my manners because I realize that's one of the things that's making my videos so long. Just my manners in general. Anyway, like I said, it is almost midnight. They completely messed up my order. But we have fries. Can't have, anything fast food without getting some fries. I wish I hadn't, and we have a 10-piece nugget. I got some ketchup, barbecue sauce, ranch, everything over here. Originally, I was gonna do a versus and slash taste. Ooh, I just did taste test on the fish sandwiches from Burger King and Hardee's Carl's Jr. But Xander forgot the Hardee's one. And y'all, I've never had any fish sandwich from anywhere, not even the fillet of fish. Before I take this bite, I really want to say from the bottom of my heart, like, I genuinely appreciate each and every one of y'all. That is why y'all are, the EMS crew. Because if it wasn't for that, especially a few of you, and y'all know who y'all are, I wouldn't be filming this at all right now. Like I said, it's almost midnight. I'm starving, I'm sleepy, and this is probably the roughest y'all seen me look. I've been, like, really freezing, so I've got my house coat on. I just got my hair pulled up. I didn't bother with my teeth or anything like that. And like I said, if not for y'all, I'd have just ate and that would have been it. But, so this is my way of showing y'all kind of behind the scenes of what I actually do go through to eat, because my stomach is really, really hurting. And I've just been on the fence in that aspect of, you know, or I guess I should say in the mentality of I only record on my good days or what I consider my good days. But I realized that I need to be showing y'all the not so good times. And today is one of those days. I honestly don't know how much talking I'll be doing in this video. And I know I'm jumping around and my thoughts are just, I got the hiccups. Excuse me. But yeah, my thoughts are all over the place. I'm worried that this video is going to be crooked because everything else has went wrong today, so, but yeah, if any of y'all know how to fix that, I would really appreciate it if you could help me out. Like I said, I didn't do anything any different last time. So the only thing I can think of is the storage. And I don't have, my own, like, laptop or computer or anything like that. So I may have to delete, like, some of my older videos off my phone until I can, you know, get like a laptop or something like that I can then put the videos on. I really am trying to work at this, and I'm trying really, really hard. And I want to record for y'all every day, but, you know, I only really eat like one actual meal a day, which would be this, because my body won't allow it. Oh my god, this is so good, y'all. Like, I'm so hungry. But, all I can say is, what the hell? Sleep deprivation, y'all. Which I'm used to. 8 minutes. Okay. Come on, Melinda. Get with it. I'm so glad that Burger King, because I used to not like Burger King fries, so I'm so glad that they have them thicker now, because I just didn't like how thin they were. Like McDonald's shoestring fries, like, no, unless I'm eating them then and there, but DoorDash doesn't deliver way out here anyway for McDonald's, so I'm kind of limited on restaurants delivering out here because DoorDash is the only one that does it. But yeah, so I figured, well, you know, because how I feel is how y'all are seeing me right now, and this would be me sitting down normally, just in my everyday, you know, supper. Hair up, bags under my eyes, house coat, etc. no dentures, no makeup, no anything. So yeah, like I said, I'm trying to make myself be a little bit more comfortable so I can show y'all this side of me, and that way you get a better understanding. I'm not even explaining this very well. It's really hard to explain. Let's just eat. We still gotta try this and this. My fries done got cold. Because it was actually quicker setting up in here. And like I said, I was cold. So I was like, okay, this works. Because, I just closed the dining room off with the curtains. And so it wasn't any trouble, like, setting up wise. But I did start the video 3 times. Oh my gosh. But, I kept messing up. And I'm already 11 minutes in this one, and I want y'all to just actually see me eat and talk. I can't do both at the same time, just because I talk a lot, and it may not seem to y'all like I eat a lot. Yes and no. Just some dipping sauce, chicken sauce. This is almost like the kind that I make myself. It comes, it's in grocery stores, and there's only one restaurant, and it's probably like the best chicken sauce, like you would consider like Chick-fil-A or Raising Cane's or any of that, just chicken sauce. Theirs is the best in Alabama, and it's like this little cafe, and it's been the same way as far back as I can remember, because we used to live like just within a short walking distance of it. And the burgers were 99 cents. Oh, excuse me, 3 burgers, like just regular burgers, for 99 cents. And their prices and menu and quality of their food has not changed too much, like, over these since I was little. Like, my brain has completely abandoned me. It's left. Alright, let's see. Ooh, they do got a lot of pickles on here. Okay. Knocking french fries down. So it's just a fish patty with pickles, lettuce, and mayonnaise. Here we go. I have to roll my sleeve up. I don't taste anything. Okay. try one more. Like, I really, the only thing that I taste is the pickle. Like, there is no flavor at all. I don't know what Burger King thought they were doing, but I don't know, maybe if I just try the patty. And this is, okay, so this is the spicy chicken sandwich. I can't remember if I showed y'all or not, because, like I said, this is take 3. But I really don't like the way it looks, but we're gonna taste it. Is some crispy chicken. Oh my gosh, like, just it touching my lip, like, burnt. It's actually not bad. Let's try it with some ranch. And I don't know if I said this part or not in this one, but I am trying to let a little bit of my mannerisms not be too much, because that's one thing that makes my videos so long. Guys, this was a fail. It was such a fail. I honestly don't know if I'm gonna put this up. Okay, I'm gonna try just a bite of the fish, and then I'm gonna get off here, because this just isn't good. Well, I'm not gonna sit here and eat something that's not good, especially when I'm starving to death and it's midnight already. Yeah, so I'm just gonna call it a video here, guys. Please, please, please. Oh, I got my first dislikes, everybody. I was like, oh. I was like, because there was like 3 thumbs down. And I was like, on the last video I did, I'm like, I wonder, because if you don't like it, that's fine. But I'd like to know why. Tell me, in the comments, and that way, I'll know what to do or not to do the next time. like I always say, I accept all input, you know, and things like that. So, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up. And yeah, just please, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, go over to my Instagram, because when I am not recording, I do post things on Instagram. I'm not trying to get like a whole bunch of followers over there or nothing. The only reason that I even have Instagram was because I was starting YouTube. So I mean that's the only reason. So, and it's down home _ WMK8. So go over there and follow me over there. That way you'll know what's happening when I'm not able to record. And I'm gonna end it here because this was a disaster. And find me something to eat and go to bed. EMS crew, come on through. Your girl really needs y'all right now. There'll be some things that I do cut out, just to try to make it a little bit shorter. But where you see me getting emotional, I'm gonna leave all of that stuff in. Yeah, like giving y'all a glimpse. Let me know what y'all think of the Burger King fish sandwich and the spicy chicken. The spicy chicken actually isn't that bad, but if you notice, I don't even have any hot sauce with me, and I didn't last video, and that's, y'all know why. So I'm not gonna be able to eat this, even though it's not hot to my mouth. It's all the other good stuff. So yeah, I'm just rambling now. I do that when I'm really tired. My mom's the same way. We'll talk and be talking about absolutely nothing. So yes, please give the video a thumbs up, thumbs down, leave me comments, any comments. Follow me over on IG. I'll try to leave the link in it, in the description box. And also you can follow me on Facebook. It's just Melinda Rowe, just like the channel. And I will, and don't forget to subscribe. And I see you creepers lurking around. I see y'all. Y'all watching. Why don't you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, become an EMS member, and it's free. It doesn't cost anything. And if you don't like what you see, just hit it again, and there you go. But yeah, I'm out, guys. I love you so much. And thank y'all for the encouraging and motivational support that y'all continue to give me. And I hope that y'all will continue to do so, because look at me right now. I've lost 10 pounds throughout while I was gone, and was a long outro, huh? So yeah, I really need y'all to come through on this one so that I can keep posting. Okay, love you guys. Bye.